I think it's really maybe related to risk, but this whole concept of what happens when the automation doesn't go as planned. So, you can look at what we expect when it does the task perfectly, but what happens when the robot does the wrong thing? And data quality really does feed into this. The whole garbage in, garbage out definitely was the thing that jumped straight to my mind when I saw that. And actually, I can tell a bit of a story that I've heard from the field where teams have built out automation that would shut down resources that are untagged. So they didn't want any untagged resources in their environment, and worked really well for many, many months. And then one day, the APIs stopped returning the actual tag values to the robot. And so it would describe that there was a resource there, but the actual tag value they were getting back was empty. And so now everything in the environment is untagged. And so then the robot starts shutting everything down. And so there's this, implicit what happens when it goes wrong. And in that case, it actually went along until it managed to shut itself down as one of the untagged resources. And so, having these like break, emergency triggers that could trigger that, if all of a sudden the automation wants to do a lot more than a normal day's run of automations, that it might put the human in the loop, or, start to inform people that things look a lot different than the norm. And so, yeah, really sort of looking at what are those failure scenarios, and can you actually put controls into it to make sure that automation doesn't go totally awry for you.